Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take you through the ultimate step-by-step guide to learning C and C++ programming languages. These languages are widely used in software development and are essential for any programmer. So, let's dive into the guide. Number 1. Getting started with C and C++. In this step, we'll cover the basics of C and C++. You'll learn about the history of these programming languages, the importance of learning them, and how to set up your environment to start coding. Number 2. Understanding data types and variables. In this step, we'll cover the different data types in C and C++ and how to declare and use variables. You'll learn about integer, character, and float data types, and how to assign values to them. Number 3. Control flow statements. Control flow statements are used to control the order in which statements are executed. In this step, we'll cover if-else statements, switch case statements, and loops such as for, while, and do-while. Number 4. Functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. In this step, we'll learn how to create functions, pass arguments to them, and return values from them. Number 5. Arrays. Arrays are used to store a collection of data of the same type. In this step, we'll cover how to declare and initialize arrays, and how to access and modify their elements. Number 6. Pointers. Pointers are variables that store memory addresses. In this step, we'll cover how to declare pointers, assign values to them, and use them to manipulate memory addresses. Number 7. Structures. Structures are used to group related data items of different data types. In this step, we'll cover how to declare and initialize structures, and how to access and modify their members. Number 8. File handling. File handling is a crucial part of programming, as it allows you to read and write data to files. In this step, we'll cover how to open, read, write, and close files in C and C++. Number 9. Dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation is the process of allocating and deallocating memory during program execution. In this step, we'll cover how to allocate and deallocate memory using functions such as malloc, calloc, and free. Number 10. Advanced topics. In this final step, we'll cover some advanced topics in C and C++, such as pointers to functions, recursion, linked lists, and multidimensional arrays. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate step-by-step guide to learn C and C++ programming languages. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're excited to start your programming journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep coding and don't give up. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below.